Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well in these winters. And we have brought again a new video, a new vlog on the topic bills of material today in front of you. So, the previous case studies which you have seen on the topic bills of material, I hope you have understood those case studies very well. And whatever the queries, if you have, then you can comment us in the comment section. Also, please drop a like if you are understanding the case studies, and if you had not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe it today. And we want to help you all so that you can understand, you can learn Tally and other videos accordingly. So we hope you are subscribing us and you are liking our video. And now we are continuing our new video, new vlog for today. The topic is bills of material. We have already opened the company creation window in front of you, and we are creating the company name as bills of material number 3. Okay. Now we are selecting the state as Delhi, and today's case study is about manufacturing, or we can say assembling of Dell computer. And we have some raw material like the components which we are assembling to prepare the Dell computer. And we have now the F11 window and setting GST option no, control A and creating the further things. Now we are given the some theory part. The bill of material is used by manufacturing companies, obviously the manufacturing of goods for consumption or conversion into finished goods. And we are setting the bills of material in Tally. Now we are given what are the raw materials we are about to use in this: the cabinet, motherboard, RAM, hard disk, processor, SMPS, and we are preparing Dell computer in it. And next is what they are about to tell us is the stock item. What we have to do for setting the bills of material in stock item window, we are pressing F12 key and setting the component bills of material to yes, and bill of material name is Dell computer. Now the options we are to use is we are first of all making the stock group, that's raw material, and another group is finished goods. We will set the BOM option yes to in finished goods only, not in raw material window. Now escape key, and we are creating unit pieces. And last option we are doing is stock item, and we are creating the given stock items. Cabinet, this is our raw material and will set to pieces. Another item is motherboard. It is also a raw material and pieces. Then RAM, it's raw material and pieces. Then hard disk, raw material, pieces. Then processor, then SMPS. Now, the last item, we have prepared 6 items. That's cabinet, motherboard, RAM, hard disk, processor, SMPS. Now it's time to prepare the final product, the finished product, Dell computer. And it will be our finished goods and pieces, and we will set BOM option to yes. If you are not visible this option, then F12 press, and we will set this option to yes, and you will have the option BOM in this window, and set this to yes. And the BOM name is Dell computer. One computer, if we are preparing, if we are assembling, then we need one cabinet, we need one hard disk, we need one motherboard, we need one processor, we need one RAM, and we need one SMPS. Okay, we are altering the RAM quantity to 2 because we are given RAM quantity 2 in one computer. So we have altered this and we are accepting this. Now, what we are to do is purchasing of raw material. F9 press करेंगे, and we are purchasing it in cash. No date is given. So we are taking cash ledger and creating a purchase ledger also in this voucher under purchase accounts. Now, what we have to purchase is number one, cabinet. Cabinet quantity is 100 and rate is given 1500. Next item is motherboard. Motherboard quantity 100 and rate is 3,500. Next item is RAM 100. It's 200 and quantity rate is 2,000 rupees. After RAM, it will be a hard disk. Hard disk quantity is 100 and rates are 5,500. Next item is processor. Processor is in 100 quantity and 8,000 will be the rate. And last item is SMPS and it is 100 and rate will be 1,000. So these are the raw material we had purchased and total bill of for us will be 23 lakhs 50,000 rupees. Except now, next item we are doing is creating a manufacturing journal where we will assemble all these computers. Voucher types, we have create option. Either you use this one or you can come to create option here directly, voucher type and prepare a assembling or voucher type manufacturing journal, whatever you want to name it. Manufacturing journal under stock journal and it will be used as manufacturing journal. This option will be set to yes. नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन में चलते हैं एंड वाउचर्स ऑल्ट F7 वी हैव द शॉर्टकट की ऑल्ट F7 टू ओपन द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग जर्नल एज वेल एज द स्टॉक जर्नल but we are choosing manufacturing journal here because we are preparing or we are assembling the computer that is named as Dell computer. As we had selected the item name, we have the component names with us, and as we will select the quantity, we will have the quantity of components too. Now, what we have to prepare is given 100 pieces Dell computer we have need to purchase, we have need to manufacture. As we will enter the quantity 100, we have the quantities of components also in front of us and with rates with the total amount. And also you can see here 23,50,000 is the total manufacturing cost accordingly with the help of components only. And one computer we are having the rate 23,500 rupees per piece. Now what we have to do, we have to accept this screen, but before that we have to add some additional costs also which are given. Packing expense is 15,000 and wages is 50,000, so it is lump sum amount, so we are creating a ledger packing expense here, and these will be direct expenses as we are manufacturing concern. That's why the lump sum amount will be here, and if percentage is given then we will write it here. Now 15,000 will be the packing charge. Now see the rates are got changed. It will be 23,650, which was earlier 23,500. Now we will add wages also. That will be direct expense, and the rates are 50,000. You will see the change also. 23,650. Now it is 24,150. The total cost is allocated into the pieces we are manufacturing here. That's why the per unit rate is now this one. Okay, now this is our rate 24,150 rupees. Now what we have to do, the next step is given. Step number 5. We have to open the sales voucher to sell these products. F8 in cash only, or we have given the name also. Name of debtor Ronak. Ronak, and he will be our debtors. We will accept this, we'll accept this, we will accept this. Now again create a ledger of sales under sales account. Accept, and item we are selling is Dell. The rate was 24. The rate was 24,150 and we are selling it at 32,000. Total quantity is 50. Rates are 32,000 rupees. So what we have, the bill of 16 lakhs for Ronak. We will accept this voucher and no bill number is given. We will uh, drop a 1 here and we will accept this. And now it's time to watch the reports. What we have in balance sheet now, it is closing stock shown in here. Debtors are 16 lakhs. Cash in hand is 2350 because we were not having the capital and we were purchasing and providing cash to the supplier. So it is negative cash, and here we have the profit and loss on selling the computers to Ronak. The finished goods we have is 12 lakhs 7,500. Sales we have made is 16 lakhs with profit. Purchases we have made total purchases 2350. About accordingly, we have no direct expenses here because we have just analyzed it in manufacturing journal. If you want to punch a voucher for that, you can use F7 here and you can make an entry packing expense 15,000 rupees, and wages we have paid was 50,000 rupees, but we are not having any cash, so we will uh, provide a cash here which will go negative, let it be, and we will have our new P&L when we will see the voucher, when we will see the report. Now, earlier it was blank. Now we have packing expense 15,000, also wages 50,000. Total gross profit we are having is 3,92,500, and net profit we are having 3,92,500. There is no administration expense, no salary, nothing, no expense related to office we have. That's why the gross profit and the net profit are same. So this was the report of profits and loss. This is our balance sheet, and you will see the stock summary also. We have only finished goods as raw material. Raw material is consumed in finished goods, and Dell computer we have to 50 pieces, which we have prepared 100 pieces total, and we have sold 50 pieces. So left out is on cost 50,000 50 pieces as 24,150. It is cost. When we will make further sale, then we will add our profit in this rate. So total the stock which we are having in our godown is of 12 lakh 7,500 rupees, and this is our case study. You uh, so we have completed our case study here, and this was our third case study on the topic wheels of material. होप कि आपको ये हमारी केस स्टडी बहुत ही अच्छी लगी होगी. लाइक करिएगा प्लीज इसको अगर आपको पसंद आई हो, और अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आया, कोई भी डाउट हो, यू कैन प्लीज कमेंट अस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड प्लीज इफ यू हैव नॉट yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe it, so because more case studies are yet to come, so that you can understand our further case studies and you will learn Tally and Advanced Excel too. So let's make a goodbye and see you soon in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.